Hello. Today in this video we will talk about how to create radio buttons in JavaScript. So first head to VS Editor. Now write skip tag. Skip tag open and skip tag close. Now array of colors. Const colors equal to here we choose full color like red, copy and comma copy and paste 3 times. Blue, green and black. After this variable, write get the div where radio button will be insert. Const radio container equal to document.getElement by id. Document.getElement by id. Here pass radio button. Write radio button. Simple. After this line, we write create radio buttons dynamically. Colors dot for each loop color one create radio button element. Const radio button equal to document dot create element. Create element type input. Simple. Copy this constant paste dot type of radio button. Radio paste dot name. Radio button name equal to color. Next radio button value, which value is passed the color. Next create label for radio button. Const label equal to copy document dot create dot element. Document dot create element and label. Semicolon. Next label dot text content equal to color. Next append radio button and label to container. Copy, write radio container dot append type name is radio button. Here the value is constant value, and copy this line, paste 2 times. And the second one is radio container dot append child is label, and third one is the right copy this line and path here at line break here and semicolon and set. Now go to browser, below the page, inspect console. Line number 24. Write H2 tag open and H2 tag close. Write, choose your script color, and after H2 write one div tag open and tag close ID equal to that path this ID and set this. Now okay, everything is fine. Red, blue, green, black. This way you can create radio button in JavaScript. Thank you.